Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Taurus at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Okay, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating pong makikita o mababasa para sa iyo, Taurus, at sa person mo. It's simple, really. How do I feel? I want you, us, forever. So, ito yung pinaka-general message, no? For both of you. Sinasabi dito, napaka-simple. Simple lang. Sa totoo. Ang tinatanong dito is, ano ba talaga nararamdaman mo at saka yung person mo towards each other. And ang sagot is, I want you and us forever. Ibig sabihin kayo, gusto ka niya, ganun din ikaw sa kanya, at gusto nyo, kayo na, panghabang buhay. Okay, napakaganda Taurus. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa tarot para sa'yo. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Devil, the Eight of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords, and the Four of Cups. Isa person mo, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Three of Cups. Okay. Okay, Taurus. Okay. Yung sinasabi dito, now, of course, I was shuffling this for you, Taurus, and this is for your person. Now, pag nagbasa na ako, you might interchange, no? I mean, take which side is more that would resonate with you. Kasi may mga comments ako minsan sabi, no, you're wrong, yung person ko ang ganyan, hindi ako yon. So, kung ano yung side na mas applicable sa inyo, please take that one. Okay? So, initially, syempre, I just have to start with you, no, Taurus. So, ito yung para sa'yo. But if it doesn't resonate this part, then take this other one. Okay? Baka ito yung sa person mo. Now, Seven of Pentacles. Matagal na, no? Definitely yung relationship. Somebody is really putting in the time and effort dito sa relationship na to. Kung gaba, taon na yung binibilang. Nag-invest ka na, no? You are simply waiting for that moment na magkakaroon ng fruition. So, ibig sabihin yung bubunga na, yung pag-iintay, yung pagiging, yung in a way na yung relationship mo is yung tumagal, okay? Ang pagbunga nun is of course yung the one you are planning to settle down, no? To get married eventually. But kasi itong Seven of Pentacles is really more of a waiting energy. Naghihintay ka na sana matupad na yung pinapangarap mo. Sana matupad yung o magkaroon ng magandang output yung pag-iintay. O yung in terms of investment, kung gaba, namuhunan ka dito. No, namuhunan ka, nagtrabaho ka, nagsipag ka, kaya nag-iintay ka na dumating yung profit, kung gaba. Na makita mo na talagang oo na nagiging malago na yung aking negosyo, kung gaba, yung ininvest ko, yung aking time, yung money, yung aking energy, yung aking knowledge, yon, stuff like that. But somehow, I think it is really being affected kasi andito yung devil energy. Sometimes, I think pumapasok sa isipan na yung mga negative thoughts, no? Because the devil energy, this is an energy coming from a Capricorn, na alam mo yon, yung pinapasukan ka ng mga negative thoughts na kasi kakaintay mo nga, diba? If you would look at the cards, diba? Nag-iintay siya, no? Looking at the sun, waiting for it to shine. But the next card to that is the devil, which is all about thinking, no? Thinking negative thoughts. Minsan naiisip mo na, paano kung di na kami matuloy? O ang tagal-tagal ko na naghintay pero parang walang nangyayari. Walang, yung iniintay kong maging outcome, hindi ko nakikita. I don't see the light. I don't see any, kung gaba parang effort o hindi namin na pag-uusapan ng person ko yung planning for the future, something like that is parang playing in your mind, no? Kasi with the devil energy, and I think somehow it occurred to you na iwanan yung relationship, no? With the Eight of Cups, to go away, to split, to kung gabat tipong umalis ka na lang sa relationship na to kasi parang you feel totally na you've invested so much time and effort and yet wala pa ring outcome and you feel na maybe it's time for me to go, no? Maghanap ako ng iba. Baka naman umaasa lang ako dito tapos wala naman pala. Kasi nga pinapasukan ng devil energy, no? Ng negative thoughts. And because of that negative thoughts, you are with the Two of Pentacles trying to juggle, no? Trying to weigh things, no? Binibigyan mo ng halaga o trying to see na kailangan ba ako magstay o kailangan ko na bang umalis? No, kasi ang katabi niya is yung energy of going away, no? The Eight of Cups. So you're trying to make that decision na pagpapatuloy ko pa ba to? Itong relationship na to? Wala naman akong nakikitang kung gaba parang future. I don't see it. We are not discussing anything. Walang plans, no? Parang everything seem to be murky, no? Malabo. Kung ba? Sabi ko malabo because with the Eight of Swords, di ba, naka-piring yung mata mo rito eh. It's been covered. Kung gaba parang you cannot see. Hindi mo nga makita eh. You kung gaba parang it's been clouded, no? Na natakluban. Okay, natakluban yung tingin mo. Kasi nga, because of this devil energy, no? Ito yung naging effect nung kakaisip, no? Kakaisip ng negative thoughts. Nag-alnilangan ka, nag-iisip ka na umalis, na hindi mo nakikita kung merong pag-asa o pagbabago o merong patutunguhan itong pag-iintay mo. And with the Four of Cups, alam mo naman may offer of love, pero parang ang laging mo binibigyan ng attention o hindi mo pinapansin, no? You're not really looking into what was really offered to you. Yung isipan mo gaba nakafocus sa ibang bagay, something that is being, kung gaba parang nakaraan na to. Ang dapat mong iniisip dito is the cup that you're holding, no? Yung that fourth cup or that new cup na hawak mo, because that is the one, no? The one you're waiting for. So I think this is what you've been going through, no? Ito yung nafe-feel mo towards your person or your relationship. Okay? Now here on the other side, the Six of Pentacles is all about equal give and take, no? Yung patas na bigayan, pagtatanggap, pagbibigay, pareho lang tayo, equal. And kung ano man yung message of love that you receive o binibigay sa'yo, ganun din yung binabalik mo sa kanya, no? So maganda yung intention dito. However, yung Knight of Wands, as I always say sa mga reading ko, this energy, hindi kasi siya yung consistent eh. Kung gaba meron siyang ugali or energy na yung tinatawag nating pag gusto lang niyang magpakita o magparamdam, gagawin niya yun. Pero pag hindi niya feel, asahan mo wala siya dyan. So, yung person might be doing something else. Okay? I don't know what it is. Pwede namang hindi may third party. But what I'm saying is, you cannot pin this person down to be with you 24/7. Kung gaba parang meron siyang ibang activities na gusto niyang ma-achieve. Okay? But somehow, nasa isip niya yung long-term relationship. Kahit sabihin natin na meron siyang may pagka-player energy, no? Player energy is may pagka mahilig alam mo na, palipat-lipat ng kasama. Okay? Pero nag-iisip niya kung sino yung gusto niyang makasama panghabang buhay at pangmatagalan with the Ten of Pentacles. And everything will change, no? Yung situation ngayon, things will turn around, no? For the better. Kasi usually, ang Wheel of Fortune, normally it turns, no? Depende ngayon kung nasan ka dito. But usually it goes up, no? To your favor. Because this energy means there will be a change, may pagbabago na magaganap. So kung yung person mo is yung tipong hindi consistent, no? In and out, asahan mo may pagbabago. Especially kung alam niya na kung sino yung gusto niya makasama panghabang buhay. And that would mean something to celebrate about with the Three of Cups. No, this is a energy of celebration, partying, having fun, reconciliation, and maybe having a date. Nagdi-date kayo because meron siya sigurong gustong sabihin sa'yo. Maybe the thing that you've been waiting for. Okay? Yung iniintay-intay mo na something to do with yung forever. Okay? This is forever. Now, let us see kung ano yung magiging outcome nyo. We have the Six of Coins, the Page of Coins, and the Nine of Swords. Well, definitely, yung sinasabi dito, Six of Coins is the same with this, the Six of Pentacles. So, ano yung outcome? Ang outcome is, of course, there will be an equal give and take. And I think there will be like a initial offer. Offer of something that is very solid or tangible na you would really appreciate, Taurus. Kasi ito yung mga tipo na naiintindihan mo. So, if it's something tangible, it could be something na maybe a ring, di ba? Kasi nakikita mo nahahawakan mo. It is a start. However, nagwo-worry ka pa rin. Maybe what's been offered here, hindi pa rin yung, kung gawa parang hindi ka totally solve, hindi ka nabibilib o hindi ka naniniwala. Kasi you felt, alam mo yun, the Nine of Swords is worrying, you worry. O hindi ka makatulog. Parang iniisip itong bagay na to. Something na parang hindi ka makapaniwala Ganun yung dating Maybe because yung if you can take this devil energy out of your thoughts, alisin mo yan, because that's not a good energy, then maybe things will change, Dito, dadating ito It will change everything and you will be having that celebration with your person. Kasi ang sinasabi naman dito is gusto ka niya talaga. Gusto niya ikaw yung makasama niya pang habang buhay. So you don't have to worry. Okay? tignan natin kay Angel kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Ang message mo for Taurus. Reconsider. Okay. Peaceful resolution. And meditation brings answer. So, there would be, kung ba parang sinasabi sa'yo dito is, i-reconsider mo to. Yung sinasabi niya, wag kang magkaroon ng second thoughts. I mean, consider mo siya. Because that would bring that peaceful answer or resolution, yung para ma-solve itong naiisip mo. Is, of course, you meditate, no? Meditation brings answer. Kung alsin mo yung negative thoughts na and put in all this positive energy sa'yo para makadala ng sagot na talagang tama, no, sa sitwasyon na to. Kasi ito bakit ka nag-worry, no? Why do you worry? Clarify nga natin. Bakit andito yung 9 of Swords? We have the 5 of Coins, the 10 of Coins, and the Wheel of Fortune. Kung bakit ka nagwo-worry dito, Taurus, is because the 5 of Coins is that feeling of na baka iiwan ka lang. No? 10 of Coins, again, is a 10 of Pentacles. Baka iiwan ka lang niya kapag yung okay na kayo. Tapos, yung tipong baka mabago lahat. Mabago yung takbo ng swerte ba, kung ba. Yun yung isa sa mga wino-worry mo yung iiwan ka, hindi ka nabigyan ng halaga, yung kung ba parang ibaliwala ka once you get married or you get into a relationship o once naging kayo na, no, kasal na kayo, baka magbago yung takbo ng relationship and that worries you a lot, no. Ito yun kung bakit ka nagwo-worry na baka magbago nga yung relationship. Now, bakit mo nasasabi yon? Kasi nga, di ba yung energy kasi dito na, sabi ko sa inyo na, hindi kasi siya consistent. But this will change, no? Twice na lumalabas yung Wheel of Fortune. Here, the Wheel of Fortune and the Wheel of Fortune. So, alam mo may pagbabago talaga na dadating. There will be change. But usually, the Wheel of Fortune comes in to bring good, something good to you. Kung ba this is in your favor, kung ba pabor sa'yo. Kaya dapat hindi ka yung mangamba na pag naging kayo na o nagpakasal na kayo, nag-settle down na kayo, you started to have a family, things will change, na baka magbago na siya. Hindi nga kasi ang sinasabi nga, very simple. Gusto ka niya, gusto niya kayong dalawa, forever. That's it. Then you have to believe on that. Diba? You have to believe. Alsin mo kasi yung negative thoughts na alsin mo yung devil energy para maging maganda yung takbo ng relationship, yung vibe ba. And of course, this is, having it all. Sabi ko nga yung 10 of Pentacles, no? This is 10 of Pentacles. Another one. This is 10 of Pentacles. Pareho yan. Having it all. Diba? Kung ba parang andun yung financial security, andun yung inheritance, family, Wow, I mean, what else do you need? Of course, love is there kasi sinabi naman niya eh. Diba? Just, I guess you have to believe more. Maniwala ka na this is for you. Okay? And this is a blessing. Okay? Kung kanino man Taurus ito nakuha natin na energy at sa person mo, sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.